ahead. It's crawling with enemies.
Split up and take it to him.
You're not getting away that easy. Hey, I had dibs.
I don't roll over for anyone.
Got him.
Hit your own target, Fox.
That'll teach him.
Appreciate it, Fox. Scratch one bogey.
Scratch one bogey.
Hey, I had dibs.
You're dead meat, pal.
They're pouring out of the base.
We've got them running scared.
A time bomb has been planted at the base.
Yeah, that was gonna be my second guess. A bomb. We've got to find a way to stop it.
Can't let you do that, Starfox.
Andros sent us. He doesn't mind if I make a mess.
Epi! Long time no see!
Emperor Andros' enemy is my enemy.
Star Wars. Andros must be desperate if he hired you. Can't disarm the bomb while they're nipping at our heels.
You're not getting away this time, peppy old pal! Let's see if you're half the height that your dad was.
I owe you one.
This guy's got it out for me. I knew I could count on you.
If you shoot, you better not miss.
Not so tough now, are ya? You're not getting away this time, peppy old pal!
Supplies deployed.
Uncle Andros!
Time for a tactical retreat.
This can't be happening!
Some top-notch shooting, if I do say so myself.
Andros will pay extra for your head! Bold moves, rookie. Not so tough now, are ya?
Danger. 1 minute to detonation.
We've got to take out Star Wolf first.
It's dangerous to make me mad. Bold moves, rookie. Andros will pay extra for your head!
$30 seconds to detonation.
Not so tough now, are ya? Not like this.
15 seconds to detonation.
Just one more to go.
Detonation imminent.
Fuck!
Guess I chose the right side, eh?
Catastrophic reactor failure in progress. Clear the area immediately.
We've got to pull back, now! Status report. Everybody okay?
I'm okay, but it's too bad about the General's military secrets.
Peppy's R-Wing is in for repairs.
So that was Starwolf. Not bad.
A new intelligence report is available in the HoloViewer.
Starwolf! I can't believe that pack of psychos beat us.
Can't win 'em all, kid. Just gotta get back in that cockpit and keep flying.
Our hardware was too evenly matched. Maybe with a few more modifications.
Patching General Pepper through on Channel 1.
I'm relieved you're safe, Starfox, but there's no time to lick your wounds. With the loss of our base on Fichina, our intelligence network is severely compromised. But I've managed to piece together scattered reports of an advanced manufacturing facility hidden within the heart of Sector X. My operatives say the enemy is preparing to unleash a secret weapon with devastating power. You must neutralize the facility and destroy that weapon before it is deployed against us.
Sector X is a dense cluster of space dust. Scans are coming back all scrambled, but I'm definitely picking up an unusual energy reading.
Could be anything hiding in that space dust. Let's stay sharp and stay ready.
If that's your way of saying let's go break stuff, then count me in.
Consider it done, General. We've got some frustrations to work out, and that secret weapon sounds like the perfect target.